Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing in Adobe Illustrator. So welcome to my YouTube channel, you beautiful person. I really hope I can help you in this video so you can enjoy using this awesome tool. So just make sure you watch this video till the very end, and also subscribe if you're new to my YouTube channel for more daily tutorials for different apps and tutorials, not only how to fix but different tutorials. So I'll really appreciate if you subscribe, and now let's jump right into the video. So usually this can cause, and it's very annoying, also ensure that you saved your project that you're working on every single time, so you don't lose your project. Save it. And now so we can prevent crashing in this app, so what we can do is first head over to the task manager, and here making sure that you close all the apps that are running in the background while you're running Adobe Illustrator, because this can cause some problems and then crash the app. So make sure you close all the apps that are running in the background when you're working in your project. Okay, so let's say this is Adobe Illustrator. Just open Adobe Illustrator, go to details, and then here just right click and set priority to high. So this will ensure that Windows will prioritize Adobe Illustrator. And also go to advanced options here and ensure that you use all the processors. And here in graphics settings, what you have to do is also go to Adobe Illustrator. If you can't find here Adobe Illustrator, just go to list and search. If you can't search it, if you can't find it, just click on browse and go exactly where you install Adobe Illustrator, and add Adobe Illustrator in this list, and then go to high performance, click on options, select high performance. Now the second method, also go to the battery. Here select power and sleep, or just system, then here power and battery, and here select best performance. If your computer is not set to high performance, then just that will cause crashing in Adobe Illustrator. And also you can fix this problem by just installing Microsoft Visual C++ if you don't have this installed on your computer, and also DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. I'll leave the links in the description of this video. And also ensure that you have the latest drivers on your computer so just install GeForce Experience, for all the drivers, check for updates, install the drivers. There's a new update there available for you to install. Just install, and that's pretty much what you have to do to fix this problem. And as I said before, make sure you close all the apps that are running in the background. Also startup apps, just close all the apps that you see. As you can see right now, I have lots of apps disabled. For me, I only have one, so will not cause any issues when I'm running a lot of apps for editing. Or also I have my computer, it's the same way optimized. Another way I think that is very powerful is to go to adjust performance, and here only enable show timeless and smooth edges. And also here you can write image just calculating 102.4 just multiply by the amount of RAM you have. If you have 60, multiply by 60, and then right here the results. So 1024 2424 multiplied by 60. If 60 is the amount of RAM you have, and the result you set here, click on set, okay, apply, and okay. That's the end of this video, guys. I really hope this video helps you, and now you can enjoy the app. I hope you can have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.